Dear students, last time we discussed methods for general solution for 2 by 2 autonomous system of differential equations. Let us solve some examples. Find the general solution of following system. Dx by dt equal to minus 3x plus 4y, and dy by dt equal to minus 2x plus 3y. So we can see that this is a linear system of differential equations here. So we call this as system 1. Here, coefficient matrix is, okay, here coefficient matrix is minus 3, 4. Okay, these coefficients minus 3, 4, and second row minus 2, 3. Now we find characteristic polynomial. So it is in variable m, it is m square minus sum of diagonal entries, that is trace of matrix. Trace means sum of diagonal entries into m plus determinant equal to 0. That is m square minus sum of diagonal entries, it is 0, and determinant is minus 9 plus 8. So minus 1 equal to 0. This means m square equal to 1, and we get m. We have two roots of this equation, m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, so real distinct roots of characteristic polynomial. Next thing, we find the constants capital A and capital B using M and this matrix. Okay. Next step is we solve. Okay, if this matrix is given by AIs and BIs, that is A1, B1, A2, B2, then if this is A1, B1, A2, B2, then we solve A1 minus M1 into capital A1 plus B1 into B1 equal to 0, and second equation is A2 A1 plus B2 minus M1 into B1 equal to 0. Note that these two equations are not independent. Okay, so we can take any one of these two equations. In fact, these two are constant multiples of each other. So here A1 minus M1, it is minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. A1, then B1 is 4 plus 4 B1 equal to 0. If you check second equation, then it is A2, that is minus 2 A1 and B2 minus M1. B2 is 3 minus M1 is 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 B1. Okay, so these are, so second equation is obtained by dividing first equation by 2. Okay, so these two are same. So both these imply A1 equal to B1. So we have infinitely many solutions. We take non-trivial solution. For example, we may take B1 equal to 1 so that A1 is also 1. Okay. We have infinitely many solutions. Let us take A1 equal to B1 equal to 1. Similarly, we find constants A2 and B2 using the value M2. Now, we solve okay, same equation where M1 is replaced by M2, A1, B1 are replaced by A2, B2. So A1 minus M2 into A2 plus B1, B2 equal to 0. Okay, no need to consider second equation, okay, which will be constant multiple of this equation. Okay, now A1 minus M2, that is minus 3, M2 is minus 1, so minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. A2. and B1 is 4, so plus 4 B2 equal to 0. Okay, so this gives A2 equal to 2B2. Again, we have infinitely many solutions. We may take any such which is non-zero. So let us take B2 equal to 1 so that A2 is 2. Let us take B2 equal to 1 and therefore A2 is 2. So this is another set. Now we have general solution. Therefore, general solution of given system one is x equal to C1 into A1 e raised to M1t plus C2 A2 e raised to M2t. Y is C1 B1 e raised to M1t plus C2 B2 e raised to M2t. Now we substitute all these values. So x equal to C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants. So C1, A1 e raised to M1t. A1 is 1, M1 is also 1. So e raised to t plus C2, A2, A2 is 2. So 2 e raised to M2t. M2 is minus 1. So minus t. And y is C1 B1 e raised to M1t. B1 is also 1. So it is e raised to t plus C2 B2 is also 1 e raised to minus t. Okay, so this is a required general solution. Let us consider next example. Find general solution of dx by dt equal to 4x minus 2y dy by dt equal to 5x plus 2y. We call this as 1. Okay, so coefficient matrix of this system is A1 B1 B2 B2 equal to 4 minus 2 5, 2. We can find characteristic equation. M square minus trace of this matrix, that is sum of diagonal entries, 4 plus for characteristic equation we write M square minus trace of this matrix, that is sum of these diagonal entries, that is 4 plus 2, 6, M, and plus determinant, it is 4 into 2 minus 5 into minus 2. So it is 8 plus 10, 18 equal to 0. So this is our characteristic equation. Now we find characteristic roots or eigenvalues. M equal to 6 plus minus square root 6 square, that is 36, minus 4 into 18 by 2, and simplifying this we get this equal to, so here we can take 4 outside, so that it is 3 plus minus square root 9 minus 18, that is minus 9. So it is 3 plus minus 3 into square root minus 1, that is 3 plus minus 3i. So we have complex roots. Okay. So let M1 be 3 plus 3i. Okay. So we find capital A and B corresponding to this M1. Okay. We solve A1 minus M1 into capital A plus B1 capital B equal to 0. There is another equation, A2 capital A plus B2 minus M1 capital B equal to 0. But both these equations are constant multiples of each other. So we may take only one equation. So here A1 is 4. So 4 minus 3 plus 3i. So minus, it becomes, this plus becomes minus. A plus B1. B1 is minus 2. So minus 2 capital B equal to 0. Okay. So we get, this is 1 minus 3i A equal to 2b. Okay. So we have infinitely many solutions. We may take A equal to 1, so that B equal to 1/2 into 1 minus 3i. Okay. We may take a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 half into 1 minus 3i. So with these values, we have one solution. Okay. Therefore, the corresponding solution. Okay. The solution corresponding to all these values is x equal to a e raised to m1t, y equal to b e raised to m1t, that is x equal to a is 1, m1 is 3 plus 3i. So e raised to 3 plus 3i into t. So it is e raised to 3t into cos 3t plus I times sin 3t. And y equal to b. b is 1 half into 1 minus 3i e raised to m1t. And e raised to m1t is simply e raised to 3t cos 3t plus I sin 3t. Okay. So we can simplify this. We are interested in real and imaginary parts of solution. So it is 1 half e raised to 3t into. Now real, these two complex numbers, we take multiplication of these two complex numbers and get real part as 1 into cos 3t. So cos 3t, then minus 3i plus I into sin 3t. Okay, so I square is minus 1. So it is plus 3 sin 3t. So this is the real part. Plus I times minus 3 cos 3t and plus sin 3t. Okay, so in both the cases, we get real and imaginary parts. We discussed in theory that when we have complex roots, then our solution is also complex function. What we have to do, we have to consider real part of solution and imaginary part of solution. Both these are also solutions of given system of differential equations. And these are linearly independent solutions. Okay, so general solution will be C1 into real part plus C2 into imaginary part. C1 and C2 are arbitrary constants. Therefore, general solution of given system is x equal to e raised to 3t into cos C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t. C1 cos 3t plus C2 sin 3t. Y equal to 1 half e raised to 3t into C1 into cos 3t plus 3 sin 3t plus C2 into minus 3 cos 3t plus sin 3t. Okay. So this is required general solution of differential equation system. Let us consider next example. Example 3. Find general solution of dx by dt equal to 5x plus 4y and dy by dt equal to minus x plus 5. So coefficient matrix in this case is A1, B1, A2, B2 equal to 5, 4, minus 1, 1. Therefore, characteristic equation is m square minus sum of diagonal entries. It is 5 plus 1, 6, m plus determinant. It is 5 plus 4, that is 9, equal to 0. So m is 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 36 divided by 2. So it is 3 2 times. Okay, that is repeated root. We have repeated root. Therefore, we have one solution. It is a e raised to mt. X equal to a e raised to mt, y equal to b e raised to mt. So let us find a and b, and then we think about another solution. Okay. So we solve a1 minus m into a plus b1 b equal to 0. Okay. Another equation is a2 a plus b2 minus m into b equal to 0. Both these equations are same. Okay. These will produce a single independent equation. So here a1 minus m. a1 is 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2a. b1 is 4 plus 4b equal to 0. This gives a equal to minus 2, b. Okay, so let us take b equal to 1 so that a equal to minus 2. Okay, take b equal to 1 and so that we get a equal to -2. Okay. Therefore, one solution is x equal to a e raised to mt, y equal to b e raised to mt, that is x equal to -2 e raised to 3t, and y equal to b is 1, so e raised to 3t. Now we find another solution of the form x equal to x equal to a1 plus a2t into e raised to mt, that is a1 plus a2t into e raised to 3t, and y equal to b1 plus b2t into e raised to mt, so that b1 plus b2t e raised to 3t. Now we substitute these values x and y in given differential equation and then find unknown terms a1, a2, b1 and b2. Okay, so our equation is dx by dt, first equation. Okay, so for that we differentiate this thing. So let us write down the values of dx by dt and dy by dt first. Therefore, dx by dt equal to, okay, so e raised to 3t is there, e raised to 3t into differentiation of a1 plus a2t, that is simply a2, plus differentiation of e raised to 3t, it is 3 e raised to 3t, so we have 3 into this term as it is, so 3a1 plus 3a2t. Now dy by dt, and dy by dt is again e raised to 3t b2 plus 3b1 plus 3b2t. Okay, substituting all these values in given differential equation, given system of differential equation, we get, okay, so equation in that system, first equation is dx by dt equal to 5x plus 4y. So dx by dt left hand side is e raised to 3t into a2 plus 3a1 plus 3a2t. So this is dx by dt equal to 5x plus 4y. Okay, equal to 5x. X is a1 plus a2t e raised to 3t. So e raised to 3t will be common. A1 plus a2t. We take e raised to 3t common for both the terms. So 5x plus 4y, 4y. Y is b1 plus b2t. E raised to 3t will be common. So this is first equation, and dy by dt equal to minus x plus y. Dy by dt is e raised to 3t into b2 plus 3b1 plus 3b2t. Okay, this is dy by dt equal to minus x plus y. So it is minus a1 plus a2t plus b1 plus b2t into e raised to 3t. Now we can divide these equations by e raised to 3t and we get simplified relations. So we have therefore first equation. So if we take this to left side, okay, so there are constants and multiples of t. So constant terms are a2 plus 3a1 minus 5a2, minus 5a1 minus 4b1. Okay, so these two terms can be combined. So we have a2 then 3a1 minus 5a1. So it is minus 2a1. Then another constant term is 4b1 on right side. So it is minus 4b1. Okay. So these are free from t plus some other terms which are multiple of t. So the term is 3a2t. So this 3a2t and this is 5a2t. Okay, so 3a2 minus 5a2 minus 2a2. Then on right side there is another term, this 4b2t. So which will be minus 4b2 minus 4b2 multiplied by t equal to 0. Okay, so this is first equation. Similarly, the second equation is, if you check, it is in the similar manner b2 plus a1 plus 2b1 plus 2v2 plus a2 t equal to 0. Okay, so this is our system. Okay, this is true for all t. Therefore, it should be true for t equal to 0. For example, that means we must have these terms 0. This is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, this we can equate the next term, that is coefficient of t, to 0. Okay. So if this expression in t is 0 for all t, then these two things must be 0. Okay. So we get 4 equations. Therefore, a2 minus 2a1 minus 4b1 equal to 0. Second equation is minus 2a2 minus 4b2 is 0. Simply we can write a2 plus 2b2 is 0. Third equation, b2 plus a1 plus 2b1 equal to 0, and last is 2b2 plus a2 equal to 0. Okay, we have to find values of a2 and b2 from these things. Note that these are not independent equations. If you check, this equation is same, second equation is same as fourth one. Okay, so we will not get unique solution, but we need non-trivial solution. Okay, so from second and fourth equation, a2 is minus 2b2. Therefore, take b2 equal to 1, a2 equal to minus 2. Okay, so we get values of two constants a2 and b2. Now we can substitute these values in first and third equation. Again, remember that if we substitute these values, then first equation will be same as third equation. Okay, so if we substitute a2 equal to minus 2b2 here, okay, if we substitute here minus 2b2, then we get minus 2b2 minus 2a1 minus 4b1 equal to 0. Okay, we can divide by minus 2, so that it is b2 plus a1 plus 2b1 equal to 0, which is same as third equation. Okay, so we have single equation. Okay, therefore first and third equation, therefore first and third equation gives give a2. A2 is, or we can take third equation where b2 is 1. So a1 plus 2b1 equal to minus 1. Okay, we substitute here, we substitute 1, so that a1 plus 2b1, a1 plus 2b1 equal to minus 1. And again we take any value to a1 and b1. Let us take b1 equal to 1. So that a1 equal to minus 1 minus 2b1, that is minus 1 minus 2, so minus 3. Okay, so we obtain all these constants. Therefore, another solution of given dE is another solution of given system is x equal to a1 plus a2 t e raised to 3t. a1 is minus 3 plus a2 is minus 2, a1 plus a2t e raised to 3t, and y is b1 plus b2t. b1 is 1, b2 is also 1, so 1 plus t into e raised to 3t. Okay, now we can combine these two solutions and provide general solution. Okay, therefore general solution is x equal to c1 into first solution. First solution was minus 2 e raised to 3t. Okay, c1 into minus 2 e raised to 3t plus c2 into this solution. This is minus 3 minus 2t e raised to 3t, and second solution is y, second term is y equal to c1 into first solution. First solution is e raised to 3t plus c2 into this term, that is 1 plus t e raised to 3t. Okay, so this is required solution. Thank you.